Hey you guys, I'm Molly with Design Loves Detail, and as you know, I believe that decorating can be done at any budget. So today I'm going to share with you my top dollar store finds. One of these is going to surprise you, I think, especially because I have never shared it before, and it's kind of genius. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live. I've got some really fun stuff coming for you, and be sure to stay tuned until number 5 because that one is like my go-to that I've never shared before. So it's a designer secret that costs only $1. Let's jump in. First up, I like to get storage items at the dollar store. When you are organizing, I think sometimes people forget that you can get a lot of items there that can help with that. I picked these up for my daughter's closet. We're gonna keep like her scrunchies and her little things like that, socks and all that stuff in her closet in these cute little baskets that are only $1. They had these, I think, in a couple other colors as well. I think there's a black and a silver, but I thought the gold was kind of fun. And sometimes too, when you're doing items that are like organizing, you need a lot of them if you're doing like a whole shelf or something. And so definitely like the savings matters because it adds up over the course of a lot of different ones. Next, I have glassware. I don't know if you guys have ever looked in the section of the store. It's usually on the kitchen aisles. They have a bunch of different glass pieces like this. These ones have lids, which is nice. I love these for organizing snacks, and also you can put like your spices in them. So they look really cute on a shelf. You can use them in your bathrooms to keep like the little cotton balls or things like that that might normally be out, and it will keep them contained and looking cute as well. They even had this little guy right here. Has a tiny fork. I thought it was cute. I'm going to show you guys in the next video that I do a couple of different shelf setups that are all done from the dollar store. So stay tuned for that as well. All right, these are so fun. If you guys have noticed, I often have a little crock full of wooden kitchen utensils. It looks really cute and they're practical. These ones are bamboo and they are only $1 at the dollar store. So you can get a whole bundle of them for $5. And they look great next to your kitchen stove. Even doing a couple of these tied together for like a holiday gift is cute, and or like a hostess gift, something like that. Really affordable, practical, fun, cute, all that. Okay, the simple white dishes are something I love for open shelves, especially in a kitchen. And did you know that your local dollar store probably has some like this? They have a bunch of different styles, and these are just really basic, simple, white ceramic type dishes that are awesome for daily use, microwave and dishwasher safe. I just wanted to confirm that. And they look great on your shelves without a lot of expense. So again, these will be used in my upcoming styling. I can't wait to show you because it looks not like it's cheap, but it is in fact very inexpensive. All right, last one. Here is my big secret. This is the one I've been saving, books. So you might go to the dollar store and notice that they have books. And a lot of times they'll look like this, and they might be colors that are maybe not what you necessarily want, you know, or would use in your home. However, when you take off their little jacket, you end up with usually some pretty simple looking books. So if you need books for styling, which sometimes I do for height and something like that, where you can kind of put them under something or just filling bookshelves. Obviously, it's great to use the books you have if you do have some, but sometimes you need a specific color or you need more of them for a project, whatever. This is where I get a ton of books. Price. And sometimes, if you're really lucky, they'll have ones like this. This is like a coffee table book. I got this just like last week at the dollar store. And look how pretty that spine is. So this one, you can even just leave the cover on and use it like that. They have actually periodically some amazing books there for $1. Keep that in mind. A lot of times they have black and white books. Here's just a plain white one. And I will just look when I'm in the store. You don't have to take the cover off of them. You can just look at the top part because it shows the color. So here are a couple of more neutral. This one's kind of a cream and a white. And they are great for design. Next time, I'm gonna show you some styling tips for all of these products that I've shared today. Different ideas, all with dollar store styling items to show you that you really can decorate with any budget. And I was gonna mention to you guys too, this would be a fun fact. I know some of you guys are building Instagram accounts as well. And I actually got, my account went viral, we'll say. I mean, it was like, I went from like 2,000 to maybe like 20,000 in a matter of a few months because of a room that I designed for my daughter during that time when money was tight. It was a little while later because she's our second child, but I did her entire bedroom, like furniture, rug, decor, everything for under $500. And that is what built up my account, was a $500 room that I hand painted the wall instead of wallpaper because I couldn't afford the wallpaper and I couldn't find what I wanted anyways. I thought that that was kind of an interesting detail that my account was actually built upon a really budget-friendly room. So be sure while you're here to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when our next video is live, because I'm going to show you all the styling tips for all this dollar store.